how we can improve. Example, if Mr. Salem is here, how we can make Mr. Salem plus plus, if not plus. Yeah, so this is what we are looking at. So keeping that in mind, so let's start the corporate sales training program at Hitman Business Solutions. Shall we proceed?
Yes, please.
Let me give you an introduction about Train My Sales. Now, Train My Sales, it's a global sales training organization which focuses or mostly gives more coverage to sales training. We believe that each and every company has an integral part, and the most important part is sales. Do you agree?
Yes.
What happens is, if we do not sell the produce made by the company, or if we do not sell the services provided by the company, or we do not sell the whatever thing is there to be sold, where does the company get its revenue? Where is the income coming? So each one of you all sitting here becomes the most important part, or the most essential part to get us that vitamin M, money. Okay, so that is where we come in picture and say we will implement processes and disciplines to drive a sustainable revenue acceleration. Although right now we have the revenue coming in here, alhamdulillah. Now we are talking about revenue acceleration. On the pedal, when you are driving, when you put the pedal on the acceleration, the car moves faster. That's what we are here for. Okay? So we use a holistic science-based approach to identify what you are currently doing and how we can improve it. That's why Train My Sales comes in the picture. So what are the services as Train My Sales we provide? Okay? So Salesforce transformation, that's exactly what we are sitting here for. Finding the right talent, the sales effectiveness solution, customized sales training program, enhanced digital presence startups, which is one of our very own person is going and taking it for startups. Okay, his name is Mr. Mansur. Okay, and much more. So let me once again take you from the perspective of our services, Salesforce transformation currently. Then we do finding the right sales talent. Yes, it's not easy. Not everybody is a sales guy, mind you. But getting the right person for the sales job is the start of a great sales organization. So finding the right sales talent, sales effective solutions, how we can improve, customized sales training, how we can, with the same resources, how I can customize my solution and move on front and deliver better results for the organization, for myself. Enhance digital presence for startups and much more. This is what we happen to do. Training services, this is for individuals, okay? And we have, in addition to the corporate, what we are doing currently, we have individual sessions also, for which you will see the videos and you will see our Facebook presence and our YouTube presence on that. So subscribe the link over there. So sales training, marketing training, individuals. Okay, we have a group of individuals who are willing to get into the sales force in different companies. So we have sales training, and which we give them for free. This sales training is for free, the topmost sales training. Okay, and it's free of charge for everybody who wants to join us. Okay, and this is sales training. Then we have marketing training. Then we have enhanced digital presence. How we can increase the presence of our organization for e-commerce and digital. Then we have this one. We had done it in the month of December because there was a holiday and housewives were free at that time and they wanted to do something from their home. So for that we had done a sales training program for them. Work from home. Okay. And customer care, how to handle customers, because even handling customers is sales. Customer care is sales. You know, you need to understand that also. The biggest revenue you can get, or the good amount of money you can make, okay, is from customer care referrals. Because once the customer care referrals are coming, the client is satisfied and the sales is good. Call center training, how to and for inbound and outbound both we do, and retail sales training. This is specially done for big retails like Lulu, Carrefour, and the big ones, the shopping chains for retail. How to handle, how to identify. This is what we do. Okay. So this is what other training we do. Okay. So let us come back to the process of Itmam Business Solution and what are we going to do today. See, most important is, unless and until you know what is the capability of the person in front of you, or you know the capability of the person in front of who is giving, it's difficult. It's difficult to understand what exactly has to be taught. We are not old school. We are not old school. We are here to identify the strengths and the weaknesses, if any, of a person, not an organization, of a person, and then develop that particular person to deliver good. Personal approach. Not a old school where we have given you an entire template, okay, and say now study. No, we are not like that. If that was we have to give, we'll put a ad or we'll give you DVDs, study from home. No. This is what old school does. Here we are here to identify what exactly this person can do, and more importantly, what he cannot do, and where we can come in the picture and enhance that feeling or that skill or that capacity of the person so that that particular person can deliver more. Not for the organization. Organization comes later. For that person, primarily. Okay? So, let us have an introduction session of each one of us. Let us understand what is that we will be talking in this introduction. First of all, your name and your details. Okay? What is the sales that you have done before? Okay? This sales is what organization or what kind of sale you have done before. Okay? And what you look forward to learn from this particular session. Okay? So, why don't we start from